The second part of my topic is carbonyl halides. Carbonyl halides refers to those organic compounds that have the functional group COX, where X is the halogen atom, alternatively referred to as acyl halide or acid halide. They are derived from oxo acid, where a halide group replaces a hydroxyl group. If the acid carboxylic acid, the compound contains COX functional group, which consists of carbonyl groups singly bonded to a halogen atom. The general formula for such acyl halide can be written as RCOX, where R is the alkyl group, CO is the carbonyl group, and X represent to the halides such as chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. like this. Acyl chlorides are the most commonly encountered acyl halides, but acetate iodide is the produced on larger scale. Billions of kilograms are generated annually in the production of acetic acid. Hydroxyl group of sulfonic acid may be replaced by halogen to produce the corresponding sulfonyl halide. In practical terms, this is almost always chloride to give the sulfonyl chloride. Now, properties: they exist in yellow or white soils. They are organic compound soluble. They decompose by water molecules. They follow effective atomic rule or 18 electron rule. They react with different amines. Preparation: they can be prepared by direct interaction of metal halide with carbonyl, by action of halogens on carbonyl group, by cleavage of polynuclear carbonyl group. So aliphatic halides. These are aliphatic halides. On an industrial scale, the reaction of acetic anhydride with halogen chloride, they give mixture of acetyl chloride and acetic acid. Another point to prepare carbonylation of ethylene with propanoic acid and nickel carbonyl as a catalyst. Common synthesis of acyl chloride also entail the reaction of carboxylic acid with phosphogen thionyl chloride and phosphorus trichloride. The acyl bromides are really valuable by aromatic acyl chlorides. We have learned aliphatic acyl halides and now aromatic acyl chlorides. Benzyl chloride is benzoyl chloride is produced by form benzo trichloride using either water or benzoic acid by reaction of water or benzoic acid. It can be generated from parent acid and other chlorinating agent, phosphorus pentachloride or thionyl chloride. Acyl fluorides. They are acyl chloride react with HF to give acyl fluoride. Aromatic acyl fluoride or aromatic as well as aliphatic acyl fluorides are conveniently prepared directly from the carboxylic acid using stable, inexpensive commodity chemicals. Cyanuric fluoride converts carboxylic acid to acyl fluoride. Now reaction: acyl halide can be prepared, can give some kind of reaction. They react with water to form carboxylic acid. The hydrolysis is the most heavily exploited reaction for acyl halide as it occurs in the industrial synthesis of acetic acid. They react with an alcohol to form an ester. They react with an amine to form an amide. So, react with an aromatic compound using a Lewis acid catalyst such as AlCl3. This is the Lewis acid catalyst to form aromatic ketones. They react with carboxylic acid to form an organic acid anhydrides. In this kind of reaction, HX is also found. For example, if the acyl halide is an acyl chloride, HCl, hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid is also formed. Since they are highly effective acylating agent, under mild conditions, acyl halides are often encountered in organic synthesis as intermediates for synthesis of other organic compounds. They are efficient partner in the synthesis of organic acid, aldehyde, amides, and esters. They are used in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction for synthesis of aromatic ketones. In the coupling of aryl bromonic acid derivatives with acyl chloride to give ketones. Acyl chlorides are important compounds for synthesis of the popular Wegener amides, which can further converted to appropriate ketones. Ketones are prepared from acyl chloride containing the alpha hydrogen atom. Thank you.